sklearn. Cluster. Affinity propagation. Description. Affinity propagation is a clustering algorithm that identifies exemplars data points that are representative of clusters by sending messages between data points until convergence. It works by calculating the similarity between all data points and then using these similarities to determine the exemplars and cluster assignments. Inputs. X, a feature matrix containing the data points to be clustered. This can be a NumPy array or a pandas data frame. Preference, a vector of values representing the initial preference of each data point to be an exemplar. This can be a NumPy array or a pandas series. If not provided, the algorithm will assign a preference value of the median of the similarities between data points. Outputs. Labels, a vector of cluster labels assigned to each data point. This is a NumPy array. Cluster centers, indices, a vector of indices indicating the data points that were chosen as exemplars. This is a NumPy array. Steps. Calculate the similarity between all data points using a chosen similarity metric, e.g. Euclidean distance. Assign an initial preference value to each data point. Iterate through the following steps. Send messages between data points. Responsibility message. Each data point sends a message to every other data point, indicating its suitability as an exemplar for that other point. This message is based on the similarity between the data points and the preference value of A. Sending data point. Availability message. Each data point receives messages from all other data points and calculates its overall availability as an exemplar based on the responsibility messages it received. Update the exemplar and cluster assignments based on the received responsibility and availability messages. Continue iterating until convergence, i.e., when the messages and assignments no longer change significantly. Metrics. Silhouette score, a metric that measures the quality of the clustering by calculating the average silhouette coefficient of all data points. The silhouette coefficient of a data point is a measure of its similarity to its own cluster compared to other clusters. Kalinski-Haraba's index, a metric that measures the ratio of between cluster variance to within cluster variance. A higher value indicates a better separation between clusters. Visualization plots. Scatter plot with points colored by cluster assignment. To visualize the cluster structure. Dendrogram plot showing the hierarchy of clusters, which can be helpful for understanding the relationships between clusters. Fine-tune parameters. Preference. This parameter influences the number of clusters and can be adjusted to control A. Size and number of clusters. Damping. This parameter controls the rate of convergence and can be adjusted to prevent oscillations in the messages. Convergence iter. This parameter controls the number of iterations to perform before the algorithm converges. Maxiter. This parameter controls the maximum number of iterations to perform. Uncertainty methods. Confidence scores. Affinity propagation provides confidence scores for each cluster assignment, indicating the strength of the assignment. These scores can be used to identify uncertain cluster assignments. Cluster stability analysis techniques like bootstrapping can be used to assess the stability of the identified clusters by repeatedly running the algorithm on different subsets of the data. Challenges and fixes. Challenge 1. High computational cost for large datasets. Affinity propagation can be computationally expensive for large datasets, especially as the number of data points increases. Sample use case. A dataset with millions of data points might take a long time to cluster using affinity propagation. Fixes. Reduce the dataset size by using feature selection or dimensionality reduction techniques. Use a more efficient implementation of affinity propagation. such as the implementation provided by the scikit-learn library. Consider using other clustering algorithms that are more efficient for large datasets, such as k-means or DBSCAN. Challenge 2. Sensitivity to noise and outliers. Affinity propagation can be sensitive to noise and outliers in the data, which can lead to incorrect cluster assignments. Sample use case: a dataset with several outliers might result in affinity propagation, creating clusters around these outliers instead of capturing the true structure of the data. Fixes: pre-process the data to remove noise and outliers before applying affinity propagation. Use a robust similarity metric that is less sensitive to noise and outliers. Consider using other clustering algorithms that are more robust to noise and outliers, such as DBSCAN. Challenge 3. Difficulty in choosing the preference parameter. The preference parameter can significantly impact the number and size of clusters. Choosing an appropriate value can be challenging. Sample use case: a poorly chosen preference value might result in either too many small clusters or too few large clusters, failing to capture the true cluster structure of the data. Fixes: experiment with different values of the preference parameter and assess the quality of pay resulting clustering using metrics such as the silhouette score or the Kalinske-Harabasz index. Use a grid search approach to systematically explore a range of preference values and select a value that leads to the best clustering results. Consider using other clustering algorithms that do not require a preference parameter, such as k-means or DBSCAN.